Looking for chairs and sofas? Here's a collection you've got to see. At any time you like, just click this banner and get real-time deal on your favorite products. Number 1, by Rivet. Our editor choice. Number 2, another great product by Rivet. This Amazon Prime offer is one of our editor best choices. Number 3, by Stone & Beam. Shop for Amazon Prime great offers. Number 4, now on an amazing Amazon Prime Day price. Number 5, by Rivet. A great deal you shouldn't miss, by Amazon. Number 6. Check the link below, for exclusive Amazon Prime prices. Number 7, by Stone & Beam. Amazing Prime Day deal. Number 8, by Rivet. For more info about these great online deals, click this link in the corner. Number 9. Get these great online deals now. Click this link for real-time deals and updates. Number 10. Available now on Amazon.